Parking lots can be dangerous. This 2024 Corolla Cross was backed into by another vehicle and created some decent damage on the fender. So instead of taking this to a body shop and dropping it off for several weeks, the customer opted to have us come out to her home and repair this damage right in her driveway with Paintless Dent Removal, also known as PDR. Here's Barton using a tool that he often bends specifically to fit into the area that he's working on so that he can work metal back into shape from behind the dent. And you may be wondering, so what are the benefits of PDR? Well, to start, we don't do any painting at all. So with PDR, we use specialized tools and techniques that allow you to keep the original paint finish, which is always the best paint finish to have on your vehicle. In this shot, you can see a metal rod that he's using to help stabilize the metal while making this repair, and a reflection light. That light helps us read the dent to see where the metal's high, where it's low, and what's going on throughout the entire repair process. It can take hundreds and hundreds, even thousands of tiny pushes behind the dent in order to bring the metal back to factory specs. And you can see that rod again that Barton hooked up to his van for stability of the panel while he's working the area. It is quite an amazing way to have your dent repaired without it being reported on CarFax, and in turn without diminishing the value of your vehicle. We don't replace any parts, and our goal is to return the panel back to the way it was before the incident ever occurred. So here's the finished product right here. In just a matter of hours, Barton was able to turn back time. This really was a great repair. The customer was happy, and we were really happy with how it turned out as well. So if you've got a dent and you're not sure if Paintless Dent Removal would be an option for your damage, you can either call us and we'll talk with you about it over the phone, or you can visit our website and request a quote online. Whatever works best for you is good with us. It's not complicated. We're professionals helping professionals get back on the road as quickly as possible without the headaches and stress that typically come with an accident. If PDR isn't a good option for you, we'll let you know. We're locally owned and operated, and at Coastal Excellence Mobile Dent Repair, excellence matters to us.